Right now, everyone around you is using AI to build things, and most of them have zero idea what they actually build. The moment something breaks, a bug, an error, something stops working, they are completely stuck. They paste the error back into AI, get new code, and now there are 2 bugs. Here's what nobody is saying. If everyone is building with AI and nobody understands what's underneath, the people who do understand become rare, and rare is valuable. Today I am showing you how to actually learn the skill, not just use AI to fake it. I'm not saying stop using AI, use it every day, it's incredible. But there is a difference between using AI as a tool and being completely dependent on it. When you understand basics, you can look at an error and know what it means. You can read AI's output and tell if it's right or wrong. You are the one driving, AI is just moving faster for you. Without that understanding, you build something, but you don't own it. It's not compulsory to learn this, but if you are in software, tech, or anything digital, coding is now the one thing that separates genuinely outstanding people from everyone else who is just prompting. And the best part, you don't need a course, you don't need hours, you need one prompt. Here is the prompt. This works for literally any skill. 3 swaps and you are set. Same structure, same feedback loop. AI adapts the whole lesson plan around what you fill in. Fresh chat every session. Paste the prompt again. Keeps it focused. You may have understood the difference between someone who uses AI and someone who grows with AI. Everyone is using AI. Very few people understand what they are building. That gap is your opportunity, and this prompt is how you close it.